Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2018 video tutorial. It's sort of a remake of an old one, but it's more about how to copy sketches onto planes which are not parallel to the original one. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, maybe show the origin. And first I want to create some planes and make those 3 planes not with auto resize, because it's kind of annoying. So I want a plane which should be rotated around that axis, reference to that plane by 30 degrees. Another one to that axis and to that plane by 90 degrees. Another one 150 degrees, and the last one by 180 degrees. So these should not be auto resize. Yes, that's okay. I could hide those 2 planes because I don't need them anymore, and I could hide for the moment those as well. Okay, let's go for a sketch on that plane, and I need to make it normal. I need a rectangle which is 25 by 5, and another one which is 20 by 10. Then a circle which should be aligned somehow to those both, like this, and the concentric one like that. Now let's move this one onto that one and trim. This should be trimmed, that should be trimmed, this should be trimmed. Sorry, let's undo. This should be trimmed. Okay, I could convert this to a construction line. Let's see, I need a dimension right there, which should be 75. And let's check this out. That point should be right there, so this point should be aligned to that line. And let's move this. So I have no tangency right there, so go for tangency. This should be tangent, so this is tangent as well, and that should be already tangent. Let's take a look. Let's move this, and yeah, you could go for points, or you could put this point onto that line. Then I need a dimension from that line to that point, and that would be 15. Still not fully constrained. So let's take a look. Okay. So this point should be on that line as well, coincident. Finish that sketch. Now I need 4 copies, and I will copy them onto those 4 planes. So go for, I could hide that XY plane. I go for that sketch and make a copy and paste it once there, Control V. You see what happens over there, Control V, over there, Control V, and over there, Control V. So let's hide the first sketch, or let's leave this one, but hide those 3 sketches for the moment. Let's take a look at this one. This has to be turned somehow. How to do this? Go for the sketch, right click, not redefine but edit coordinate system, and then you could change the references. So the x-axis should be parallel to that one. Select this, select that one. Now x-axis points in that direction, y-axis up, and that's okay. So right click and OK, and see, it switched. Let's go for the next one, make it visible, and again edit coordinate system. So that axis should be parallel to this one, and you have to flip. Go here, right click, flip axis, that's okay, and right click OK. Next one, make it visible. This should be again with edit coordinate system. This axis should be parallel to this one. That points in the wrong direction, so go over here and flip that axis. And right click OK. And the last one, edit coordinate system. And it should be visible. So just cancel this and make it first visible, and then go for edit coordinate system. There you go. This axis should be aligned to that one. Flip it and right click OK. Very nice. Now what's left to do is just to do the loft. I could hide all those axis planes and user work planes, and now change that dimension to 10 and that 75. Where's the 75? This one to 120. Now let's go for a loft. Select the sketches 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and Inventor does a pretty good job. It's very easy to do, and I just want to make this for the first and last section. It should start with 90 degrees to the sketch plane, and confirm, and I'm done. So hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page, and please like it, would be very, very nice of you. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.